Today I talk about how to download and install Schneider OPC UA software. First, you go to Schneider website. You can find in the Google. In here you can find EcoStruxure OPC UA export version 2. Here you can find this EcoStruxure OPC UA service export. You can download from here. You can use every time to hour. Okay, I download already. I show you how to install this software. Okay, set up. Next, display. Okay, doesn't matter. Next, we acceptable. Click next. Here. Okay. Install. Next, install. Okay. Okay, now it's done. We can see it's OPC UA have 3. It's one is OPC UA service export configuration tools. Okay. Here, Simpson OFS. You can figure out which one is OPC UA. Okay. Your connection between PLC, then this sample is OPC servers allows. Here, so first to there, after that, OPC UA service you can use here. Okay, thank you very much.